Are you considering remodeling your basement, a single room, or possibly your entire home? Are you in search of a local remodeling company? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local home remodeling service, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. We can help you design and remodel as much or as little of your home as you desire. We're fully insured and licensed. Contact us now for a free, no obligation consultation on your remodeling project.